Hey, Sam.
What?
You want to tell a scary story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a dark room and the kids. When I was in a dark forest with the animals, and I heard a screech down, and it was a monster.
It was? What did the monster look like?
Like
Oh, that's a scary monster. What color was the monster?
white.
White?
And he didn't make a choice.
He didn't make good choices.
No.
What choices did he make?
He made scary choices like, roar!
And did he scare the animals?
Yeah.
What'd the animals do?
They cried.
They cried?
No, they hide.
Oh, they hide. They hid?
No, hide.
They hide, okay. What else happened?
I can see your chocolate milk.
No, what happened? What else happened in the story?
There was an alligator and he bit the monster.
He did?
Yeah.
And then what did the monster do?
He bit the alligator.
Oh, they bit each other?
Yeah.
And then, did they cry?
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
it hurt.
yeah. And then what happened?
Then the shark came along, and when another shark came and long ago, the shark came and bite them.
Really? Wow.
That's another story.
Okay, that was a good one. Say goodbye.
Good
I'm
job.
done.
Okay.